Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. Let's take a look at the gold market. Today just minor update on the situation because market mostly stands around the same levels. We just discuss today what the patterns could be formed, where retracement potentially could start, and what levels we will consider for possible long entry in the gold market. Yesterday I already explained my really worries about the situation in the United States. I mean the political risks that now stand in this country. So yes, it sounds a bit incredible, but we should not ignore any information. We should be skeptical on this subject because lots of rumors and sensations, that's absolutely nonsense, stands around this subject. But we should not ignore the real information that's come from the respectable media sources, and we should keep the common sense. Clear view on the situation, and what is the fact that yesterday Donald Trump has taken the important speech when we announced actually that it was the hazard to independence of the United States from the foreign countries, from the outside of the United States, and an attempt to get the to make impact on elections in the United States. So potentially this situation led him to apply the law of 2018 that suggests the criminal responsibility, legal responsibility for those of the foreign intervention in the election process, and the Constitution led him to, in an ultimate situation, it led him to announce emergency regime in the United States. So that's potentially, I hope that we will not get with this, but, well, who knows what will happen. And currently we are coming in the most tight, tough period, because there is just a week stands till the voting of the colleague. Donald Trump also said about the Supreme Court that he hopes that it will resolve this, tricky situation, but if Supreme Court will not be able to do this, well, it could be that ultimate measures could be taken. Anyway, if even nothing will happen, current situation significantly increase the political risks in the United States. I think that all the stuff around the central bank meetings, Fed Reserve announcement today, the non-farm payrolls, they could make them short-term impact, but I think that the political risks will be on the top story in the December. And as closer we will come to the 14th of December, the more hot this topic will become. It's already becoming hotter, and the overall scandal around it is spinning up. So that's why on the gold market it could be right at the epicenter of these events, because you know the gold safe haven, and in the case of this situation, gold probably could show the significant upward direction. We already said yesterday that technically it should start at somewhere from the 1730, but if external factors are intruding in the process, it could mean that gold could start starting to react on these new events, new drivers, and action could start earlier. Meantime, but mostly this probably will happen on the next week, because it still some time exists to that, and today hardly we will get something really on this subject. It led market to show normal reaction on economical factors and non-farm payrolls, and normal reaction on the resistance that we have. So take a look at the market stands around our 1850 area. It could fluctuate around it but in general it's already right at this point, where we suggest that some pullback here really could happen. Because this is not just the confluence, as we said, this is also, take a look, previous 1850 historical support resistance area is really strong as well. So, and today we will keep an eye on the reaction. On the hourly chart, I not exclude the chance that we could get still the 3-drive sell. Why? Because take a look, market accurately responds to extensions of this retracement. So if you will calculate the 127 extension, it will stands right here, and you can see normal healthy retracement reaction on this first extension. Second extension stands right here, 1851. This market stands very close to it, but it has not been reached yet. And that suggests me that it could be another move up. This final upper continuation suits perfectly with the potential 3-drive 1618 pattern. So as you can see, second drive stands 1618 of the first, third drive will be 1618 of the second. In this case, market could hit it and then could start the retracement. Potential target of the pullback, I suppose, will be somewhere around 1820, 1825, this confidence area, and also let market complete the minimal target of the 3-drive, which is the bottom between second and third drive. So market just could retest, for example, this area on this pullback. But that is only theoretically that we have. We will keep an eye on what will happen. And then maybe this will be a suitable area to consider long entry in the gold as well. It depends on how market will come to it. So if it will be this type of action, definitely we will not take the long position here, and we'll be watching for more progress and see what will happen. If it will be gradual action, slow, in this case, we consider possibly taking the long position here as well. So just keep watching what will happen. Those who have taken long position with this upward action, that's great, but be prepared for a possible reaction. So because 1850 is a significant resistance, and today non-farm pros release, so just set your stop, protect your result, and let's see what will happen. If you would like to go short with this pattern, it's not forbidden, but in the current circumstances, be prepared that this could be a significant risk with that. Do not place too far stop and do not marry to this position. Try and check the result as soon as possible on this setup. So that's our view on the gold.